Hello, what are you doing? Hello, come on. हाथ ऊपर बैठा था बनने.
That's awesome.
This is a sassafras or?
Yes.
No, it's not sassafras. It's something like I forgot, the national park or something. It is Dandenong Ranges National Park. It's the same. It's a bird feeding place officially, but there are no any birds right now, so we are going back home with disappointing faces.
બીજું કંઈ ખાવું છે?
Nah.
Takeaway. With the dining clothing. Oh, okay. So takeaways would be fine.
Everything set?
Yes, I think so.
Ready to go?
Yes.
Great. Yoo-hoo! Wow. I'm introducing first time on YouTube my wife Ria.
Hi guys.
It's popcorn. 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 I know. I put it near the bird.
आओ क्यों करे जो जा जो जोड़ा है. Now be careful, yeah, because they bite. It's very hard. I have two birds, that's why.
Oh my god. Oh, that's yeah.
Come on.
Oh, 知道去那边吃了。
So did you like it?
A lot.
So how was the overall experience?
Oh, well, it was seriously very good experience. You have to visit this place.
Wow. It was amazing, huh?
Yeah, it is.